What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First off, I want to say, guys, we are at 975 subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you guys that have subscribed to my channel. If this is your first time stopping in, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I drop videos, because here lately, when you subscribe, it doesn't necessarily tell you when I drop a video. But if you hit that bell, as soon as I drop the video, you are notified, so you're able to come and check out the video. And guys, like I said, I want to thank all of my subscribers that have subscribed. I want to thank each and every one of you that take the time to watch my videos, and especially when you comment below. I am greatly appreciative of that. I love feedback. I love to know what you liked about the video, how you enjoyed the video, and it helps me when I go to make new videos. I know what you guys like. When you respond by great views, I know that you guys enjoy that type of video, and I will try to make more of that. But like I said, if this is your first time stopping in, go check out my past videos. There are plenty of videos of this car. If you're new to the channel, this is a 2017 GT California Special 6R80 car. It does have the Roush Phase 2 supercharger and tuned by Wengerd Performance out of Paris, Tennessee. Guys, one thing that I have not hit on lately is if people send me videos or pictures of their cars, I will put them at the end of my videos in a subscribers ride section. It does not have to be a Mustang. Every one of my videos has if you scroll down into the details at the very bottom, it has an email that you can send pictures and video to, along with your name, location, and I will put them at the end of my videos in the subscribers ride section. I don't get a lot, therefore you don't see it in every video, and I don't talk about it in every video, but I do put it in the description of every video, talking about what to send and where to send it to. So guys, if you want your car on the channel, you know, and I'm not able to be around you to get a review on it or take a look at it in person, send pictures, send video, like I said, link down below, and I will share it on my channel. Guys, one thing I wanted to touch on is it has been 4 weeks since I've been to the drag strip. This weekend we actually got a cold snap. It is 34 degrees and we got a cold snap, and man, let me tell you, it got there fast. It was like in the 50s during the week, 50s and 60s, and now it's 34. The high today is only supposed to be like 46, so yeah, it's cold. But you know, next weekend's supposed to be warmer. Speaking of next weekend, I will be at Beach Bend Raceway in Bowling Green, Kentucky for a test and tune from 12 to 5. I will be there along with Stang Mode, Xander 13, Tunnel Chaser, Demonology, and a few others. Derek with the red Whipple car will be there. Also, Lucas will be there with his Whipple car, and Stang Mode is supposed to be going against Demonology and a Demon in that car. Now, if you don't know Lucas's car, it's never been on my channel, but if you know Stang Mode's channel or Xander 13's channel, you know this car. Go check out their channels. They have great content with this car, and it is a 2018 10R80 Whipple car, just like Derek's car. So go check their channel out, check out the car. Stang Mode will be there. It's supposed to be going against Demonology, so check that out. But I will also be there running the car. If you have a car and you want to come out and race me, feel free. I am down for it. Also, Xander 13 will be there in his car. He will be running his car for the first time. I am highly looking forward to that, seeing what that thing will put down, and hopefully he can find some drag wheels. If not, if we have a jack and everything close by, I do not mind pulling these off and letting him run on my rear drag wheels to see what that car can put down, because you know, I would love to be able to see it, especially this cool weather. I think it's supposed to be in the 50s next weekend, so it should be great weather for drag racing. Guys, like I said, we'll be there from 12 to 5 next Saturday, November 17th. I believe they are going to have a subscribers meet. I'm not sure if it's going to be that day or the day before. Stay tuned to their channels. Like I said, Xander 13 and Stang Mode, stay tuned to their channels, and they will have all the information with the subscribers meet. This is my 4th weekend in a row not being at a drag strip, and tell you what, I'm antsy to get back to one. But I don't know how I'm gonna do it over the winter. I guess I'm gonna have to find some tracks down south to travel to here and there during the winter that are open to play around at. And guys, if you live in the deep south and there's a good track to you that's open during the winter, let me know, you know, when it's open, and you know, hopefully I can make it down there and get a couple passes in, hang out with some people, meet some new people. Because that's another thing about this channel is I have met so many people that I would not have made if I did not start YouTube, and they have turned out to be great people. Not only other YouTubers, but subscribers. You know, I've met some subscribers and I keep in contact with them. And, you know, I actually enjoy that because they're great people, and I would have never met them had I not started YouTube. So YouTube has opened doors for me in many ways, and I am greatly appreciative of it. And I'm going to keep bringing you guys videos as time goes on, and we are going to get better and better at this. Like I said, I'm still new to this. I'm still learning. And when you guys comment and give me feedback, that is excellent. I love feedback. I love knowing that, you know, that you enjoy the videos. It makes it all worthwhile, because what a lot of people don't understand that don't do YouTube is it takes a lot of our time to film the YouTube videos, and it takes a lot of time to edit them and get them out to you guys. But guys, I absolutely love it. I do. I really enjoy it. But guys, I will be going out to Dover's today. If you do not know who Dover is, go check out my past videos when I'm at his shop. I'm there quite a bit. Haven't been out there in a while, but I am going out there today to check that out, and I will be bringing y'all a video. It will be out Monday afternoon, or evening, I might say. Monday evening, or around 5 o'clock, I will drop that video, and I'm hoping that some good things are happening out there. I haven't talked with him, but you know, usually Saturdays is when I go out there, so I'm gonna go out there, check out what's going on, and bring you guys a video from out there. And hopefully get into a couple more things this weekend and get you guys some great content for next week. But guys, we have great things coming for this channel. I have not forgot about the wife's car at all. And here's a little clip that I filmed to kind of show y'all where that car's at. All right, guys, if you remember, we talked about what we was going to do with this car. We are going to put the 18 intake manifold on, 47-pound injectors that I took out of my car from the Roush Phase 2 kit, the original injectors that come with that kit, and we're going to put an E85 tune on it. So that is what's coming, and we talked about that. But guys, I got a piece of the puzzle already. I do have the 18 intake manifold sitting right here. I will be ordering the IMRC lockouts tonight. I will be running the IMRC lockouts. I've talked to a few people. They say the drivability is fine, the car is fine, and when you go wide open throttle, they're open anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the lockouts, and we're gonna go that route as of right now. But guys, I talked to Daryle, and we will be keeping the GT350 cold air intake throttle body to go with the 18 intake manifold and the 47-pound injectors. And we will be running E85. As you see, the wife's car will be coming along hopefully shortly. We will have everything done and tuned, and I am hoping to get another day with that car at the drag strip. It should be another couple warm days here and there that I will be able to attend a drag strip and get that car and see what it will run down the track. I'm highly looking forward to that, bringing you guys a little bit of an NA build to the channel, and see where that car goes, and see where my car goes, and how far my car goes. But guys, stay tuned to the channel. We've got great things coming. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.